Would $5,000 a month online in passive income change your life? What about if you could learn how to do it in 10 days? Stick around to the end of this video to find out how. In 10 days, their affiliate marketing challenge shows you how to make up to 50% commissions consistently. Most successful businesses don't even make 15% profit. Here's one of their students that made $934 in one day. They have already paid out over $800,000 in commissions to their affiliates. Literally, all you need is a computer, the internet, and the tools that they provide you with. And I think my favorite part is that you can earn 15% with their second tier commissions, which is 100% passive income. You can get started today and be on your way to quitting your job within 10 days. What are you waiting for?